In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a LinkedIn post on Instagram. We'll take a direct and straightforward approach, utilizing a handy tool called the snipping tool. As you may know, Instagram posts require an image, which makes the snipping tool an essential part of today's tutorial. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on the Me icon or the profile icon located at the top of your LinkedIn page. After clicking, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on View Profile and you'll be swiftly redirected to your LinkedIn profile page. Here, you'll be able to see your posts, and if you need to view all the posts you've created, you can click on Show All to get the complete list. Moving on, you'll want to capture an image of the LinkedIn post you wish to share on Instagram. For this step, we'll turn to the snipping tool. Head over to the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Snipping Tool. Once it appears, click to open the app. From there, click New to begin taking your screenshot. I recommend doing this with the original LinkedIn post you intend to share on Instagram. Once you've captured the screenshot, proceed to save it. Simply go to File in the Snipping tool, click Save As, and then securely save your image. With your screenshot ready and saved, it's time to switch gears and head over to Instagram. Begin by creating a new post on Instagram. If you're using a computer, go to your Instagram profile and click New, then select the option to upload from your computer. Locate the screenshot you took from LinkedIn, select it, and click Open. The photo will now start to load onto Instagram. As your image loads, you'll find options to enhance it. Click Next to proceed to the edit screen. Here, you can apply filters to complement your photo if you wish. Plus, Instagram allows you to adjust various aspects like brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, and even add a vignette effect. Once satisfied with your edits, click Next again. Now it's time to add a caption. If you want your Instagram audience to engage directly with your LinkedIn content, you'll need to add the post link in the caption. Go back to your LinkedIn account, find the specific post, and click on the 3 horizontal dots at the top. Select Copy Link to Post. Return to Instagram and paste the link into your caption. Review your description, make sure everything looks perfect, and when you're ready, click Share. Instagram will now share the photo and link you've uploaded from LinkedIn. And there you have it. That's how you share a LinkedIn post on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for updates on new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.